Smith here, and we're ready to teach you another song here. The Mountain of Love by Johnny Rivers. So let's get started. Okay, before we get started on your lesson, I want to show you something. Now, right here is the song. So all you got to do is get the words, go off the internet and just get the words. Just say you want the words to Mountain of Love. And it will just give you these words like this. Absolutely free. And what I'm talking about is the verse. Now what I'm going to teach you is just one verse. Because if I teach you one verse, it applies to all the verses. Same way with the chorus. If I teach you one chorus, it applies to all the choruses. And then the outro, I'll let you know, I'll teach you the outro. And there's a harmonica solo in there. But there you just play your regular verse, and there's the harmonica solo, but I'm not going to teach you that. But it's going to apply to a lot of songs, because that way I don't have to keep repeating the verse with those chords in it, because it's going to be the same chords in all verses and the same chords in all the choruses. Now there might be a bridge in there, but I'll let you know on that. That way the lessons can keep going, and I can get going real good and fast on these lessons for you. Okay, so let me get back to the keyboard. So here we go. Now this is Mountain of Love by Johnny Rivers. And we're going to go ahead and start with the left hand. So what you're going to do, you're going to go... high on the mountain of love. I'll do it again. High on the mountain of love. So there's your left hand. So always remember to look and start concentrating on the upper keyboard, and look at the notes up there and just start following stuff like that. Okay, now your right hand is going to go like this. Standing on the mountain looking down from the city, the way I feel is a doggone pity. Moonlight's shining on the mountain top. Many times I've been there, many times I cried. We used to be so happy when we were in love, high on the mountain of love. So there you go. That's the way that is, and I'll play it again. I'll play the second verse to get you going with it. Night after night I'm standing here alone, weeping my heart out of cold gray dawn, praying alone that you come here too, hoping by the chance that I get a glimpse at you. I'm trying to find the heartache waiting on the love, high on the mountain of love. You got to get that in there. See how that is? High mountain of love, high on the mountain of love. Now that'll be the outro. High on the mountain of love. That'll be the outro, the end of the song. Okay, now we're going to go with both hands now. It's hard for me to play with one hand like that. Gets me all messed up, but here we go. So it goes, standing on the mountain looking down from the city, the way I feel is a doggone pity. Teardrops are falling down the mountainside. Many times I've been here, so happy when we were in love, high on the mountain of love. See? I'll do it again. Standing on the mountain looking down from the city, the way I feel is a doggone pity. Moonlight's shining on the mountainside. Many times I've been there, and many times I've cried. Used to be so happy when we were in love, high on the mountain of love. Okay. Okay, so there's your verse. That's your verse, and that applies to all verses, not just that one. Because what is there? Three, 1, 2, 3. There's 4 verses in this song. Okay, so that covers all the verses. So at the very end of the verse, you go, Mountain of Love. Now the chorus goes like this. The mountain of love, the mountain of love, you should be ashamed. Used to be the mountain of love, you just changed your name. Back to the chorus again. Verse. Way down below there's 500,000 people, some where the church is a big tall steeple. Inside the church is an altar covered with flowers, wedding bells are ringing, there should have been ours. That's why I'm so lonely here. Okay, there you go on that. Okay, the chorus again. Let me go through the chorus again. The mountain of love, the mountain of love, you should be ashamed. It used to be the mountain of love, but you just changed your name. You see what it is? It's F, the mountain of love, F, C, mountain of love. Ashamed, C, F would be the mountain, C, F, you just change as G. Then back to the beginning again, or the verses again. So there, just work with it and just get the words. All you need to do is just say, just ask Google and say words to Mountain of Love, and it will just take you to the words, and you'll be able to download them. Then you can put the chords over the words, and the verses. One verse are the same. The chords for all the verses, and the same way with the chorus. One chorus. If you got one chorus down, you got them all down. So there you go, and but the harmonica solo I didn't put in there, but I think that's just the like the verse. You want to put some kind of lead in there. So there you go with Mountain of Love by Johnny Rivers. Okay, we're going to go ahead, and your next lesson is going to be, this is going to be your next lesson, Tuesday's Gone by Leonard Skinner. So it goes like this. I'll play a short sample of it. This is going to be your next lesson. Train rolls on down the line. Won't you please take me far away? Yeah, that's going to be your next lesson. Tuesday Gone by Leonard Skinner. Till next time, keep playing that music.
I think I'll go get me a 12-pack.